What's up, gang? I hope you're doing well today, guys. Okay, guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn 220 for for scanning guys, free strings code, guys, for scanning barcodes. Okay, guys, as you can see here, guys, at the top, it says in moment, tell us what you drink and earn 220. Okay. Okay, guys, here are the rules. I'm going to leave them on my bio, guys. All the rules that you need to follow. Okay, let me show you how to do this, guys. Get started. Okay, guys, now we are here, guys. As you can see, guys, yeah, you see, each and every month, guys, you'll be able to earn 220 each and every month for scanning barcodes, guys, from your fizz drinks, juice, whatever, guys, you are drinking, even energy drinks, guys, and alcohol. Okay. As you can see here, guys, these are the beverages, guys, that you need to scan barcodes from, and these are the beverage too that you don't need to scan beverage from, guys. Okay, next. Okay, loading. Yeah, guys, you can even set a reminder, guys, so that it can remind you when to enter your barcodes, guys. Here, guys, you can come here and set a reminder. For now, I'm going to press next. Okay, as you can see, guys, take 2 minutes and answer a few questions about this drink and how you are consuming it, guys. As you can see here, guys, the instructions, and then get rewarded 220, guys. It doesn't matter how old are you, guys, from 18 and above, guys, to be able to earn on this site, guys. Okay, next. Okay, as you can see, guys, here, guys, you can record occasion from yesterday and today, guys. Okay, let's do early today. 10 o'clock. Next. Do yes. Allow. Okay, as you can see here, guys, you can enter the barcode manually or you can scan it, but as for me, I'm going to scan the barcode, guys. Okay, scan. Okay, now, guys, as you can see, guys, it has scanned the barcode, guys. As you can see, it's Fanta, guys. Okay, scroll down. Okay, next. How did you consume the scan beverage? In glass, bottle, glass. Okay, next. As you can see, guys, simple questions, guys, that you need to answer. One. Next. Did you consume another beverage category? No. Next. Where were you? Obvious at home. Who were you with? Definitely I was with my spouse, guys. Next. How many people are with you guys? Next. Did you share? Definitely not, guys. Okay. Supermarket. Next. Which belong to did you? Okay. Preparing a meal. Snacking. Next. What type of food did I eat? Definitely snacks. Next. How to describe the dish? Sweet. Next. Okay. Next. For occasion you've just resolved to start a drink, would you consider drinking another? Nope. Do you want to record another? Nope. As you can see, guys, survey completed, guys. Thank you. And guys, we have to at least we have to enter one beverage, guys, each and every week, guys, to be eligible to earn these 220 bucks, guys. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video. Peace.